If you want to delete a Prezi presentation permanently and make sure it's fully removed from your account, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is especially helpful if you have old presentations you no longer need and want to clean up your dashboard. Before we begin, if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to your Prezi dashboard and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the dashboard, look through your presentations and select the one you want to delete. Take a moment to double check that you've picked the right file, because once it's removed from trash, it can't be recovered. After selecting the presentation, look to the bottom of that presentation card and click the three dots menu. This opens the additional options for that file. From the menu that appears, choose Move to Trash. At this point, the presentation is not fully deleted yet, but it has been sent to the trash folder. Now go to the trash section from the left-hand sidebar. Inside trash, you'll see the presentations that are waiting to be permanently deleted. To finish the process, click Empty Trash on the right side. This will permanently remove everything inside the trash folder, including the presentation you just moved there. Once that's done, your presentation is gone from your Prezi account. And that's it, you've now learned how to delete a presentation permanently in Prezi. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.